What is up guys, my name is Igor and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily create your first website in less than 10 minutes even if you don't have any experience in web design or coding. For this purpose we will use the best free CMS in the world, which is the WordPress, so let's dive in. Your website can't work without hosting and a domain name, but what is it? Let's look at the definitions. Hosting is online storage for your website files. And domain name is an address of your website. For example, my personal blog has a domain igorupatov.com. So, where you can buy the hosting and the domain name? There is some good news for you. I have a special 50% discount for my subscribers on the Bluehost hosting. To get it, you just need to click on the link in the description below my video. That link will take you to the welcome page. As you can see, your discount was successfully activated, so just press on the Get Started button. Now you have to choose a plan. I highly recommend you to choose the Choice Plus plan, because it has the best value for money. But if you are on a budget or just want to try your hand, then you can choose the basic plan. Also, as you can see, here you can pay for hosting for 1, 2 or 3 years. The longer the period, the greater the discount. Now you have to enter a domain name of your future website in this form. If you didn't pick it yet, don't worry, that's not a big deal, you can add it later without any problems. If all is okay, you will see this message. If it's already taken by somebody, then you have to come up with a new one. Click on the Continue button. After you have done that, just click on the Purchase Now button. Here you can see some additional services like Site Log Security. I don't recommend to pay for that, because WordPress has a lot of great and free security plugins. Just delete it from your cart. Click on the Continue button one more time. On the next step, you have to fill the account information and choose a payment method. Especially for beginners, Bluehost has easy WordPress installation. After payment, you just have to enter your website name and tagline. Click on the next button. Select your domain and click on the next button one more time. That's all, WordPress installation has been completed. Click on the Login to WordPress link. There is the WordPress dashboard. At first sight it may seem a little bit confusing, but don't be scared, we'll do all the necessary things step by step. The first thing which you have to do is to install the Elementor plugin. In short, there is the most popular and handful plugin which allows you to edit the appearance of your website with simple drag and drop, which is awesome for beginners. To install it, go to the Plugins tab and type Elementor in the search bar. Press Install and activate. Alright, now it's time to install your first theme. There are a lot of great free WordPress themes, but my favorite is Astra. To install it, go to the Appearance tab and choose WordPress.org themes. Type Astra in the search bar. Here is it. Press Install and activate. Now we have to install the essential plugin for Astra. Go to Plugins Type Astra into the search bar and install the plugin called Starter Templates. Don't forget to activate it. In a nutshell, this plugin has a lot of pre-made website designs for any purpose, which will be enough for every beginner. After you have installed this plugin, you can find a new tab, Starter Templates, on the Appearance tab. Let's check it. Make sure the Elementor is selected here. Now you can choose one of these pretty designs. For example, I'll choose this one. If you want to import not only homepage but another demo pages too, like About, Contact, etc., then press the Import Complete Site button. On the left side you can see elements that you can add on your page using drag and drop. It's time to check how your website looks like. To do that, press the Visit Site button. Looks pretty nice. Now let's personalize it. To edit any page of your website, you need to go on it and click Edit with Elementor. But at first you should add a place for a new element. To do that, find the edge of the section and click on the plus button. Now you can drag a new element to this section. If you want to add a section that contains 2, 3 or more columns, then click on the plus button one more time and choose a structure that you prefer. Also, if you click on the button Starter Templates with Astra icon, you can find some ready-made blocks for almost every purpose in the Blocks tab. For example, I'll add the About Me block. To delete any section, just click on this button. If you want to delete not whole section, but just only one column or block, then press the right mouse button and click on the delete. To edit any element on the page, just click on it. You can see that if you choose some element on the page, the left side will change. Here you can see 3 tabs: Content, Style and Advanced. On the Content tab you can change text, its size and alignment. On the Style tab you can change the background of the block, color of the text, font size and family, etc. On the Advanced tab you can add margin and padding to the block. And if you click on the column icon, you will see the Layout tab, where you can change the width of the column, align of the elements in this column and other small things. Also, you can change the size of any block, simply grab and pull its edge. Let's try to edit this heading. Click on it and type whatever you want. You can type right in the block or on the left side, it doesn't matter. Change a font family and size. Looks perfect. Our site has a lot of demo pages right now. We can edit useful pages and just delete unuseful. To do that, you have to go to the dashboard and click on the Pages tab. To delete any of them, just click on the trash link. To add a new page, click Add New. Let's try to do that. You can add and edit the content of this page in default WordPress editor, which is called Gutenberg, or use Elementor. Bear in mind that in Gutenberg you can only edit the content part of the page, not the whole appearance. I mean, you don't want to turn the text, images, lists, etc. You can edit the content of the sidebar in the dashboard on the Widgets tab. If you want to edit the whole appearance of a specific page, then you should edit it in Elementor. By default, the Astra theme has the right sidebar, like many other themes for WordPress and other CMS. You can turn it off in this tab. The header is an area which usually contains a logo, menu, search bar, etc. Let's add the title and publish our first page at the end of the page, which usually contains some links and copyrights. Looks pretty nice. By default, the header and footer will look the same for the entire site, so you need to edit it once. To do that, click on the Customize button. Let's change the logo first. Click on the blue pencil near the logo. Click Change Image and choose your new logo. Great! Now let's edit the menu. Return to the main section and click on the Menus tab. Here you can see the items of your header menu, sort and change them. To edit the footer, let's return to the main section and click on the footer. Here you can change the layout, copyrights information and do some other things. When you have done all of the necessary actions and decided to make your site available to the whole world, just go to the dashboard and click on the Coming Soon Active button and then on the Launch Your Site.
Congratulations! Now you have your first website and can share the link on it with your friends and family. So, that was a very quick tutorial, but I hope it was useful anyway. If you have watched the whole video and decided to make your first website right now, then don't forget to use my Bluehost discount link in the description below this video. And if you want to get more WordPress tutorials or have questions, please let me know about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button if you like this video. Have a nice day, see you in the next time, bye!